Hi, my name is Nancy with GiftsHQ. I started this channel so I can connect with gifted crafters just like you. I want to share ideas, work on projects together so we can learn from each other. I love to make people smile, so you will definitely have some giveaways too. On my channel, you'll find craft tips, tricks, reviews, the latest crafting gadgets, and maybe some unboxing too. We can learn all types of crafts from using a Cricut machine, decoupage, t-shirt making, cards, home decor, and so much more. I'm a mother of two, so I've always loved to decorate the house for the holidays and occasions. I would love to share this passion with you and connect with fellow crafters. We can continue to learn new things together. I will walk you through step by step on everything we do so you can join in on the fun. So if you enjoy my videos, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be part of the community, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified on my future videos. I hope you join me on this journey and let's spread some smiles. Stay tuned. Hope to be crafting with you soon. Bye.